Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. I hope everyone's having a good weekend so far. It's Saturday morning, or Saturday afternoon now actually. We have had some glorious weather and we're going to get snow next week. So I mowed the lawn twice, which is my thing. I push it and I just really enjoy it. I put on my headphones and away I go. And yeah, so I really enjoy doing that. Today I want to bring you my design team project for Janeybjournals for this month. The kit I used was called Baby Fairies, and this is going to my neighbor next door who just had a little girl, and yeah, I hope she likes it. So let's get on here. We've got a 6 inches wide and 8.5 inches tall. I've got a 1 3/4 inch spine on here. I put some lace along the back there because I had to piece two pieces together to cover with this paper here. And I just layered up one of the pages from the kit I cut out and a little piece of cardstock I had. These are flowers that G Curve featured on her channel that she does with watercolor paper and watercolors, and I thought they went on there real well. I've just got it closed with a piece of green sari ribbon that I dyed and a strip of satin, so I thought that looked kind of cute. So as we go inside here, I've got one of the pictures in the kit. I cut out this whole strawberries here, and I got a journaling card in there. Here's our first signature, one page only at a time. I've got my tab up there. I did a little collage here. It's another page from the kit. Got a little side tuck here. I did some die cutting, and I've just got that little heart in there. And then here I have one of the faux envelopes that you can write on, and it just tucks right in there. Got a pocket here. This was a pocket I learned from Cori Dahmen. I really like it. I've used it before, and I'll probably keep using it because I just really think it's a nice pocket to use. I've got one of our journaling cards from the kit. Isn't it just beautiful? Look at that little babe. So cute. And there we go. So this has a pocket on this side that's deeper, and then a little shallower pocket over on this side, and I just got a couple of tickets in there from the kit. Got a pocket here from the kit. Got a piece that I embossed and colored on there for a journaling card. And I've got this tag is from designer paper out of my Stampington magazine, or Stampington, Somerset Studios. Sorry about that. Did a little bit of stenciling in here. Did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and I've got it tied with some pink cording. This is some of more of my strawberry dyed paper I did here. Got a little tracing paper pocket down there. Got a little heart on there with a butterfly. And this is just one of the journaling cards from the kit with a ticket on there. And behind there, there's another one. Got a pocket over here, a little bird with a babe on its back, and we've got a journaling card here and a tag there. It's another page, back of the other page from the kit. Got a little heart here with some flower stickers in there. Go to the second signature. Got a little flip here, and I've got a pocket here with tags from the kit in there. another pocket from the kit, and this is again some of that designer paper from Somerset Studio magazine. Here I've got a flip. It's an envelope, and inside I do have a tag in here. And then I just put the paper clip on here to keep it from flip-flopping around. A little more stenciling. Here's a pocket here I did. Got a paper flower on there, and I've got 2 tags and a journaling card in this pocket. Got a pocket here, got a tag from the kit, and then a tag again from the Somerset Studio paper. I took it down here with a little lace along the side. I used variegated thread to sew my journal cards and tags, and I thought they turned out really cute. This is just a journal card that I have attached to the side of the page. Got a little yellow bow on there. Got another one of the embossed papers I did. A little butterfly. I printed it on regular card, and then I printed it on vellum, and then I made the layered it up to give it a little dimension. Another tag from the kit. Here I've got a folder. Inside here is just a little booklet with some paper inside. I've got a little girl on a ball pin there. She can tuck photos or whatever she would like in here. It's an expandable pocket there. So another signature, some more stamping. It's very pale, and I just love this kit. The colors, it's subdued, and it's just really pretty. It's like clouds almost on there. Here is another one of those pockets from Cori Dahmen, and I got just a tag here and some tickets on that side. Here I've got just a plain tag. This was sent to me in some happy mail, and so I thought I'd use that. Got a pocket here, or a side tuck, and I've got two tags from the kit, and then there's another one of those with the vellum over the top. Pocket from the kit, another tag from the designer paper from Somerset Studios. Just did a little bit of collaging on here. There's the center of the signature. Another pocket. I've got a little paper here to journal on, a couple of tickets from the kit, and a little flower on the front of that. And here we've got a pocket with a tag from the kit. Those bunnies are so darn cute. Another piece from the magazine. This is another embossed piece I did. This was in Happy Mail also, and I thought that would be a nice place for that. And then here we've got our little vellum butterfly wings on there for dimension. Got a tag in there. Look, so pretty. And then our last signature here, got a pocket, got a tag here. I just put some of that rose trim up on the corner there, and then this is just another little piece for journaling there. Got a journaling card here and a tag here. Got a pocket here and another tag from the kit. This kit's so pretty. It's just perfect for a little baby girl. Got some more stenciling on here. Got a big pocket here. And in here I've got an envelope that is actually for writing inside. And I just tucked it back behind this little heart here. And so she's got extra room to write. Just got a die-cut flower there on the corner of that page. I got a die-cut butterfly here. Another one of the tracing paper pockets Got a big journaling card here and a tag there. And that's the end. This one is called Baby Fairies, and I finished it on April 9th. Yep, a little slow to film the video, but it's been so nice out. I wanted to enjoy as much time as I could. So there we go. There's the back. And that is that. So I hope you guys are all doing good. And again, I want to thank you for stopping by today. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe and follow me along and see what I've got coming up next. And I should have had this next thing I'm going to show you right handy, but it'll just take me a second. Hold on. You know how I like my resale store that's a couple towns or town over. We went a couple weeks ago and I found this. Look at this. Isn't that just awesome? It says factory number 39 or 38, can't really tell, 50, 1st District, Ohio. And what it is a cigar box. And so I'm just going to let you guys kind of guess what's going to be going inside this one. And again, thanks for stopping by. Subscribe if you want to find out what's going on here. And I hope you're all well and you stay well till the next time we talk. Thank you so much. Have a great afternoon. Bye.